Their cutting-edge technology makes it possible to construct exits and holes quickly, demonstrating the company's expertise and meticulous attention to detail throughout the whole procedure. Large and rugged tires. Menzi Muck is perfect for carrying different drilling system components. In particular, because of the lightweight design and superior performance. Its great degree of stability and capacity to go on uneven ground make it useful in a range of circumstances. Then, let us take a look at Marti Group. Their company has been known to give excellent assistance in many different construction projects. The Marti Group uses cutting-edge equipment built for precision movement through difficult rock and soil formations to demonstrate its extraordinary tunnel excavation skills. Georgia Power's newest construction project is a massive nuclear cooling tower that utilizes a hyperboloid shape to maximize cooling efficiency. This innovative design will not only improve performance, but also ensure maximum safety for workers and the surrounding community. The final result is shaped by placing the outer shell first. After being crushed and cooled, hot air from the reactor is blasted out the top. The air is completely pure, free of radiation and pollutants, guaranteeing optimal cooling and security. The silhouette of a nuclear cooling tower can be seen in the distance. Next up, you can see a clip from Menzi Muck where a vehicle is moving its way through a very challenging terrain. The purpose of this operation is to excavate the area. To safely navigate through steep slopes but still get the work done, this machine uses low ground. Through the help of a powerful crane, they are able to lay this down and support it with a rebar for a solid hold. The windmill by Locogen is built piece by piece to ensure its quality and durability. Which are perfect for heavy lift operations on uneven terrain or inside jobs with limited space, tower cranes, which are intended for high-rise construction projects, and mobile cranes, which are appropriate for bridge construction and industrial site lifting. These cranes have a great reach, a large capacity, and are compact. Next up, let us take a look at the company Locogen. They are known for their incredible assistance in building renewable energy production. You can now see how they lay down the foundations they need for a windmill they are building. After their thorough planning, they prepare this perfectly made radial concrete foundation. Their skilled workers measure this before they lay it on the structure development, residential construction, and commercial construction. With safety, efficiency, and environmental responsibility as top priorities, the company takes great delight in offering top-notch goods and services. Here you can see a pile driver from Sheet Piling UK. The main purpose of their operations is to use machines to hydraulically push piles to the ground. This will give the entire structure they are building a more stable support. However, it is typically noisy, but do not worry, Sheet Piling UK does it differently. Tower cranes, mobile cranes, and crawler cranes are among the construction machinery produced by the well-known Swiss equipment firm Liebherr. To meet different application needs, Liebherr provides a range of crane models with different capacities and features. Popular varieties include crawler crane, large-scale construction devices. A lot of planning has gone into this project. Of course, they cannot just lift a massive load without any plans of where to put it. However, thanks to their skills and the impressive capabilities of Saren's machines, they were able to see through the completion of the entire structure. In the UK, Sheet Piling UK Limited offers temporary sheet piling solutions for building projects. For ground stabilization, protection of river walls, and excavation support, they provide a variety of sheet pile kinds. Depending on the needs of the project, they may design, provide, and install the suitable sheet piling system. With over 25 years of industry experience, Sheet Piling UK serves clients in a variety of areas, such as infrastructure. The company Saren's has been known to be one of the leading providers of crane rental and heavy lifting services. With their over 150 years of combined experience, they are already experts of operating even the world's largest fleets of cranes. Their expertise have helped build a lot of engineering wonders like oil rig installation, bridge construction, and wind turbine erection across the 5 continents, including Europe, Asia-Pacific, Africa, North America, and South America. The video clip you now see is their operation for the transportation of this huge component. This will be used to build a larger structure. Saren's have been employed to assist in building the foundation of the entire structure through the help of their cranes and other